boys and girls, I would like to read more about the rainforest habitat. I'd like to read the section about rainforest plants. Rainforest plants. Many trees grow in the Amazon rainforest. Rainforest trees are very tall. Some are as tall as apartment buildings. Other plants grow in the Amazon rainforest too. Some of these plants are bushes and others are vines. Flowers and fruit. Many of the boys and girls. Many of the plants in the Amazon rainforest have flowers. The flowers are colorful. Some plants also have fruit. Mango trees have both flowers and fruit. Making food. Living things need food to stay alive. Plants make their own food. They make food from sunlight, air, and water. Making food from sunlight, air, and water is called photosynthesis. Taking it all in. A plant gets sunlight through its leaves. It also gets air through its leaves. A plant gets water through its roots. A plant uses sunlight, air, and water to make food.